Hey everyone, great news for all the e-reader fans out there! Remember back in September when Amazon unveiled its new Kindle Scribe models? Well, the wait is finally over! The new tablet-style scribes with front lights are officially available, and I've got my hands on them! I just received the review samples for the Kindle Scribe Colorsoft and the new Monochrome Kindle Scribe with front light. And I'm really excited to put them through their paces over the next few days. So make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss my full, in-depth review. Now let's talk price, because they aren't exactly cheap. The new Monochrome Kindle Scribe with front light starts at $500 for 32 gigabytes of storage. For comparison, the 2024 Kindle Scribe started at $400. If you want that beautiful new color screen, you'll need to shell out $630 for the Kindle Scribe Colorsoft. That's almost the exact same price as its main competitor, the remarkable Paper Pro. The entry-level Scribe without a front light is still listed as coming soon for $430. Expected in early 2026, so what do you get for that extra cash? Amazon has packed in some pretty significant upgrades. First, the screen is now a larger 11 inches, up from 10.2, but it's in a chassis that feels very similar in size. How did they do that? By shrinking the bezels. They've also completely redesigned the display stacks, which includes a brand new mini-LED lighting system for more uniform light across the screen. The new scribes are also slightly slimmer and lighter, measuring just 5.4 millimeters thick and weighing for 100 grams. And inside, they're powered by a new custom MediaTek processor that Amazon claims gives them a 40% performance boost. One thing to keep in mind, though, is that none of these new scribes are waterproof like the Kindle Paperwhite. Now, some of you might remember that when the smaller Kindle Colorsoft launched last year, some users reported a faint yellow tinge on the display, especially with the front light on. Amazon did address the issue, but it was a concern. So, the very first thing I did when I unboxed the new Scribe Colorsoft was check for that. I cranked the front light all the way up, set the color to vivid. And I'm happy to report I didn't notice any yellowing at all. It seems the new, more advanced display design has solved that problem. The screen looks clean and uniform. Amazon has really focused on the writing experience with these upgrades. They're using a new texture molded glass to improve the pin-on-screen friction, making it feel more like real paper. They've also re-engineered the display stack to reduce parallax, which is that little gap you sometimes see between the pen tip and the ink on the screen. Now, it feels like you're writing directly on the page. And that new processor, along with more memory, makes the whole device feel much snappier and more responsive. I'll be diving deeper into all these features, testing the battery life, the writing feel, and of course, how gorgeous those colors look on the Colorsoft model. I'll have my full review up in the next few days. For now, check out my initial hands-on first impressions video if you haven't already. Thanks for watching, and be sure to hit that subscribe button so you get notified when my full review drops.